feel like this map is really good for Viper.
I want their life, not yours.
Just in case I can't find anything else. Oh. The door. Freedom! Wow, cute! Cute things make you forget everything. Isn't that right?